everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am a full-time working mama sharing lifestyle videos about health and fitness, baby product reviews, anything that can make your life a little bit easier as a mom or a dad. In today's video, I am going to show you how I clean our Baby Brezza and put it back together. The Baby Brezza is our favorite baby product. I'm going to be linking a playlist in the description to a series of videos on all of our top baby products. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. All right, grab some caffeine and let's get into it. All right, this is the Baby Brezza machine. We are going to get it all clean. I'm going to remove all of the parts. We're going to get them clean, and then I will put it back together for you. So if you are just now unboxing a Baby Brezza, you can watch the entire video and I will show you how to put it together properly. First, I would recommend grabbing a small bucket or a container where you can put all of the parts in, and then we're going to transfer this over into the sink. Take off the stand. This actually comes apart in two pieces, and it will have a lot of formula just pouring on it throughout the day. Here's the stand. And then next, we're going to remove the funnel. It just pops in and out like this. You can actually feel it sliding in and out, and it will click in, and it comes apart in two pieces. As you can see, there is a lot of formula stuck to this. After making 3 bottles throughout the day, the funnel light will go on and you will have to remove this and clean it out. You will not be able to make another bottle until it's cleaned and put back in. Next, we're going to move on to the container where the formula is held. When I'm putting everything back together, I will show you a close-up shot of how to properly put all of the parts back in the container. Start off by taking the lid. It slides in and out like this. And again, a light will come on for the lid if this is not properly placed. This is the lid. Next, we are going to take the container out of the machine. I would recommend grabbing a bowl where you can pour all of the excess formula, because there's no reason that you shouldn't save this. Let's face it, formula is expensive. Okay, we have some more in here. You're going to be left over with some formula still clumped on some of these parts. I'm just gonna wash that off. Look who decided to make an appearance in our video. This is Wolfram. He is 7.5 months old, and now he's gonna go to Dada so I can finish the video. Okay, next, take out the measuring wheel, and then you are left with the container. Okay, I'm gonna transport all of this over to the sink. We're gonna take out the water tank back here. It pops in and out. You can kind of just feel it. It will click back in like so. You can hear it. We're going to get this clean too. Baby Brezza sells a descaling solution on their website. We've purchased it once, we tried it. Now we are just using soap and water to clean the tank. But the descaling solution will actually go through the process of cleaning out the Baby Brezza. So it's something you could consider trying. After hand washing all of the parts and pieces, make sure they are completely dry before assembling. Fill the water tank to the top. There is a maximum line at the top to guide you. We use Zephyrhills spring water because we have a delivery service that we subscribe to, but you can use whatever works best for you and your family. A low water warning symbol will be illuminated when you need to refill the water tank. Place the axle on the base. Now, place the powder container on the base with the printed markings facing you. Place the measuring wheel into the powder container, fitting it over the axle with the flat side facing down. Make sure the holes in the measuring wheel are in the same position as shown here. Okay guys, this is a very important step. Place the front edge of the locking cover in the recess in the inside front of the powder container, under the tab. Fit the hole in the locking cover over the top of the axle. It will not lay completely flat. Make sure the locking cover and measuring wheel look like this when assembled. Now place the steering wheel on the axle and push it down firmly until you hear a click. Make sure the steering wheel is snapped in place and does not lift up easily. Now you're ready to add powder and make your first bottle. Place the powder container lid on the powder container and turn it clockwise until it stops. This will engage the safety switch and lock the powder container onto the base. To remove the powder container, turn the lid counterclockwise. Make sure that the powder is filled between the minimum and maximum lines on the powder container. Here is the bottom spout of your funnel, and here is the top. And we are going to line it up just like so. Fits in here. And it doesn't clip in or anything, it just fits together. See these two prongs sticking out when it's lined up correctly. Take the funnel with the prongs facing the machine, and we are going to slide it in and up, and then back. You'll hear it click. And to take it out, you'll just push it out like that. Have your fingers just like so. Push it up and back. You'll see that the funnel icon has turned off. Okay, last but not least, we have our stand pieces. We'll need to put these back together. The top of the stand right here has these two ridges on each side. They need to be facing up, so the larger part is at the bottom. And then it will line up perfectly with these ridges on the base. Be careful with this step and make sure that the dip tray is firmly against the base to set it in place. I have had a few bottles fall onto the floor because the dip tray was not secured properly. Now let's review the control buttons and the LCD screen. Powder lid open. The powder container lid is not closed completely or is not on the powder container correctly. Close the powder container lid completely and correctly when this symbol is illuminated. The ounce indicator. Use the ounce button to choose how many ounces of water to mix with the powder. 2 through 10 ounces of water are available. There is no option to make a 1 ounce bottle. Clean funnel warning symbol. This symbol will illuminate after every 4 bottles are made. When this symbol is illuminated, remove the funnel assembly, wash and dry it completely. Then place it back into the base. The funnel out warning symbol. This means that the funnel is removed or not inserted completely. Make sure the funnel is pushed all the way in when this symbol is illuminated. The temperature indicator will flash when heating and will stay solid when the set temperature is reached. The powder setting button. Press this button to select the setting number for your formula brand and type. Refer to the Baby Brezza website to confirm your powder setting number. Water only button. Press this button to dispense ounces displayed on the LCD screen, selected by the ounce button. Temperature button. Press this button to select your warming temperature. Directly to the right of this button on the LCD screen, you'll see a temperature indicator symbol. 1 level equals room temperature. 2 levels is body temperature. 3 levels is slightly warmer than body temperature. We leave our setting on body temperature. The ounce button. Press this button to select ounces of water dispensed. The smallest bottle that you can make is 2 ounces. The largest bottle that you can make is 10 ounces. The Start button. Press to start dispensing the formula. The Power button. Press this button to turn the machine on or off. Press to stop dispensing a bottle. I hope you enjoyed my breakdown on the Baby Brezza. Subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date as soon as I release a new video in the top baby product series.